So this is my new Nespresso maker, which I absolutely love. However, I don't think I've even had it a month. I haven't used it that much. In fact, this was full and that's all I've gone through. But I am struggling with it because I put my pot in here and it shows white light, which means it's warmed up and ready. I push it one time. See, the orange light blinks twice. And that's old coffee, but it doesn't make coffee. I've literally thrown away 5 pods because it won't make. And then when I open it, of course, it's already been punctured. One time I think it actually tried to clean it. It cleaned through my coffee pod because I was frustrated, and I pushed it more than once and it did the cleaning cycle, which I have already cleaned it. And when I bought it, the packaging looked like it had already been opened. So it was a return, which I received. And this is super frustrating. And it gets hot, which I thought that was the problem. It was overheating. It was blinking orange 3 times a couple of days ago, and now it's just twice, but it's not hot. So we can do 1 pod maybe once a day if I'm lucky and it doesn't give me that orange flashing light. And I've gone through their manual and for troubleshooting, and I can't figure it out. So I'm going to return it.